The links are draped on. The journey of the classic hot dog begins here, with high-quality livestock. Refrigerated transport ensures the raw ingredients remain at safe temperatures.
Upon arrival, the cargo docks directly into the sanitized receiving bay.
The meat blocks are stored in sub-zero vaults to lock in freshness.
Strict quality control verifies the lean-to-fat ratio before grinding begins.
Approved cuts travel to the initial grinding stage. Powerful augers break down the muscle fibers into a coarse grind.
The coarse grind creates a uniform texture for the next stage. Safety sensors scan every batch to remove microscopic contaminants.
A secret blend of spices defines the unique flavor profile.
Water and spices are added to create the perfect emulsion.
High-speed blades transform the mix into a fine, protein-rich emulsion.
Vacuum pumps remove air to ensure a dense, firm texture.
Cellulose casings are loaded to shape the hot dogs during cooking.
The emulsion fills the casing under precise hydraulic pressure.
Mechanical linkers twist the rope into uniform, standard lengths.
The links are draped onto racks, ready for the smokehouse.
Cooking begins in the smokehouse, where flavor and color develop. Liquid smoke is applied for that authentic campfire taste. Precise heat coagulates the proteins, firming the texture. A cold brine shower instantly chills the product to lock in safety.
The inedible casing is sliced and blown away by steam jets.
Now skinless, the hot dogs emerge ready for final sorting. Vibrating channels align the sausages for the packaging line.
Optical scanners reject any link that is bent or broken. Only the perfect cylinders make it to the packaging stage. Automated counters group the hot dogs into standard retail portions.
Linens. This in Walden if curry different. Plastic film is heat molded to create the packaging base.
The links are deposited gently into their thermoformed nests.
Vacuum sealing removes oxygen to preserve freshness for weeks. Rotary blades separate the continuous roll into individual packs.
Precision scales ensure every customer gets of exact weight.
Branding labels are applied with high-speed precision. Batch codes track the product from farm to table.
A final safety scan guarantees the product is metal-free. Robotic packers load the shipping cases with tirelessness efficiency.
Cases are sealed and labeled for distribution logistics.
Thousands of hot dogs are stacked for bulk transport. Stretch wrap stabilizes the load for the highway journey.
The finished product returns to cold storage, awaiting dispatch.
Inventory systems manage the stock rotation automatically.
Daily shipments ensure fresh product reaches the stores. Trucks deploy nationwide to supermarkets and stadiums.
At the destination, the product is stocked for the consumer.
From the factory line to the family cooler.
Ready for the weekend barbecue or a quick dinner.
Easy to prepare, the hot dog is a culinary staple.
Grilling brings out the smoky flavor infused at the factory.
Paired with a soft bun, it becomes the iconic meal.
A taste consistent across millions of servings.
A favorite at sporting events around the world.
From street corners to backyards, its popularity is universal. The facility operates around the clock to meet demand. Precision and safety never sleep on the production line. A simple sausage, perfected by modern engineering.
And this is how modern factories produce hot dogs from start to finish.
Providing affordable protein to millions every day.